Here. I wanted to show you how to get Pinokio running on a vast.ai cloud computer really quickly, under 5 minutes. So you're going to come to their homepage, vast.ai, by clicking the link below. Visit the console. You'll be forced to sign up or sign in if you're not, and I already am, so it's basically showing me all the options I'll have for computers. But you're going to want to use a template first. So there's a hell of a lot of templates here. It's going to be hard to search for the one you want to use. So click the link below where I say my template, which will bring you to my template, which is the Pinokio desktop version 1.5. So once you're here, you can obviously try and explore which computers work best for you, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to go with one of the more expensive ones, because I want to make sure everything runs as quickly as possible to show you how we're going to do this under 5 minutes. So I've rented it. You'll see instance created. Instance is really your dashboard here. You can run as many computers as you want. And right now it is installing Linux and my template. So it'll take a second here. I'm going to fast forward this video and come back when it's ready to go. Okay, that last instance was giving me some weird errors I've never seen before, so I'm going to try again. Instead of using that Intel i9, I'm using this AMD CPU. Still got the same GPU running and same template. So I'll come back when she's ready. Perfect, it's ready to go. So we're going to go to open. You're probably going to get a security warning here. You can bypass that through Safari like this. And through Chrome, there'll be an advanced button and an option that says proceed to. So I like the VNC version better than the WebRTC. They're identical, running the same computer. It's like having two displays for one computer. One thing you want to keep in mind for the VNC is you're going to have to come here to the settings and adjust the screen for your screen size. So we are in the Linux desktop. I'm going to click Application Launcher, KO, and start that console terminal. Here we are. So, the only command you're going to have to put in is cd space /root, ROOT, and or ampersand, which will make it wait for that cd root command to end first before launching into this one, which will be sudo period / Pinokio space -- no - sandbox, because that is the command. Enter. You're going to see a bunch of scripts running. Keep in mind, don't close this console window until you want to stop using Pinokio, because basically Pinokio is running out of this window. So all we're going to do in the meantime, minimize, unless you want to watch those scripts. And, great timing, Pinokio showed up. So, the last step, I would change this from Pinokio to Pinokio Vast, just to avoid any conflicts that might arise if you stick with this instance for a while. Save. Great, we're here. Now you can install any of the Pinokio apps the way you normally would. And yeah, that's how you get Pinokio running, using my template linked below. So this was the first YouTube video I've ever made. I hope you liked it, and I hope my skills get better with time. Probably said a lot of ums and ahs, but that gives you the gist of how to get Pinokio running through a cloud server like vast.ai. I'll do a more detailed video really soon. Thanks, guys.